So here's what James says. I heard on a previous episode that what we think of as singularities at the heart of a black hole may not actually exist. But I'm not sure I understood. We know black holes exist, but what does it mean to say the singularities may just be mathematical artifacts?
Yeah, good question. Love these. So if you just follow general relativity math,
right,
the object collapses under its own weight.
Mm-hmm.
As it collapses, the gravity on its surface continues to rise. It reaches a point where the gravity on the surface has an escape velocity greater than the speed of light. At that point, light does not escape, but it continues to collapse. When we talk about the size of a black hole, functionally, we're talking about the size of the event horizon. But inside the event horizon, all bets are off. So the matter keeps shrinking. According to the general theory of relativity, the gravity is so severe that nothing can stop it. And it shrinks to zero volume.
Yeah, right. And wow.
And that's just crazy. What does that even mean? We all presume that there's some other law of physics that's going to prevent that, but that calculation is at the limits of the applicability of the general theory of relativity. So that's why we know in advance that the general theory of relativity has limits to its applicability. Whereas quantum physics have yet to find a limit, and we got smart people on that frontier, string theorists, who are trying to send the math into that singularity to try to resolve that problem. And it's
because if you do, then you reconcile
general relativity
with quantum physics. That's pretty wild.